In today's video, I will teach you how to create a stereographic projection with GIMP. Let's get started. Stereographics or planet globe effect photos offer a unique and captivating visual experience reminiscent of a panoramic view. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating such mesmerizing images using GIMP. Start with a panoramic photo as your base image. Make sure that the left and right edges of the photo are similar for seamless blending. Now, launch GIMP and open your chosen panoramic image. Now, we're going to make the image square. To do this, go to Image, then Scale Image, and then link the width and height, then adjust accordingly. Now we're going to rotate the image. Rotate the image by 180 degrees to prepare it for the stereographic effect. To do this, navigate to Tools, Transform Tools, then Rotate. Now we're going to apply polar coordinates. To do this, go to Filters, Distorts, and Polar Coordinates. If there's a noticeable edge between the left and right ends, duplicate one edge of the image and paste it as a new layer. Move the duplicated edge to the opposite end. Blend the harsh edge by adding a layer mask to the duplicated edge layer and painting it with a soft black brush on the layer mask. Then blend until the harsh edge disappears seamlessly. Then rotate the image to explore different perspectives and adjust contrast and colors to enhance the surreal effect. Experiment with various adjustments to achieve your desired aesthetic. And once you're satisfied with the result, save your stereographic photo in your preferred format. By following these steps, you can transform a panoramic photo into a stunning stereographic image that captivates viewers with its surreal and immersive qualities. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.